name is Knight Gideon and you're welcome to the Best IT. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2019 and activate it. Okay, so for not wasting time, first of all, open your browser. Any browser that you are having, just open it. And after opening your browser, I want you to download one software. Before you continue, just download Utorrent. So on Google search bar, type Utorrent and hit enter. You know one thing, what I want you to do is always, if you go to the internet, make sure if you are downloading an application, you should download it from the official website. You get me? So if you are going to download Utorrent, make sure you download it from the official website, because if you search the name on Google and a lot of links pop up, so many links contains virus, and let me tell you, if you are not having a strong antivirus and you just click on any link, your computer is going to be infected with viruses. Yeah, so just download Utorrent from the official website. This is the official website. Click on it, and you know what we are going to do? Just click on products, click on desktop, and click free download for Windows. Here you are going to receive Utorrent setup downloading. Okay, so after downloading, what you do is open it and install Utorrent on your computer, and you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. Click yes and install Utorrent on your device. Click next, agree, and make sure you do not install Avast and the rest. They are antivirus. You get me? So uncheck this box, install Avast free antivirus, and click next. This one to uncheck install Opera Mini and click next. Now click next, and Utorrent is going to install on your computer. Yeah, so after the installation of Utorrent, just launch it. Click finish, and now this is Utorrent for you and for me. Okay, now what I want you to do is open your browser like this, and on the URL type kickers.cd and hit enter. So this is Kickers, right? What I want you to do is just search Office 2019. And you know, you're going to get a lot here. So we have Office Professional Plus 2018. You get me? And 19 plus crack. 2018, 19 crack. We are not going to download any crack over here. What we want to download is, we want to download Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. You get me? So if you look at the size, it's 3 gig. Just download it. It was uploaded on today's date is okay, September. September. Today is 9th September. Okay, yeah. So it was uploaded today. So what I want you to do is what? Hit on this U button over here at the right hand side here of the page. Just click on this U button and you're good to go. If you click on it, Utorrent will load automatic. Okay, so open with Utorrent, and what you are going to do, Utorrent is going to download Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 version for you. Get me? I've already downloaded it, so you download it, and you are good to go. Yeah. So I'm not going to wait for Utorrent to download these files. You see, Utorrent will download it small by small, and I want to pause this thing because I don't want Utorrent to download it right now because I've already downloaded it. So now close everything. Now open the folder where it was downloaded, and this is the folder of the Microsoft Office that I downloaded. I mean 2019 version here. So what I want you to do is just click on this setup and click open. You get a prompt. Click yes, and here you are good to go. Okay, so what I want you to do is just select Microsoft Office 2019 from this box over here. Select Microsoft Office 2019 from here. Don't select 2016. It contains 2016 and 2019, 2013, 2016, 2019. Just click on 2019. All right. And what bit do you want? Do you want 64-bit or 82-bit? If you want to install 64-bit, check 64-bit. If you want to install 82-bit, check 82-bit over here, and you are ready to go. So what you do next is just click on install Office. You get me? Install Office, current channel, and press OK. And you are good to go. Now Microsoft Office 2019 is going to install, and after the installation I'll show you how to activate it, and you are done with it. Alright, so I'm going to pause this video small by small for it to install because I can't wait for everything to install. The video will be too big for you. Okay, so the installation of Microsoft Office have finished. I mean Microsoft Office 2019 has finished. So just close the prompt, and what I want you to do next is where you extracted the setup, open that folder. There is an activator. Open that activator, and the activator in that folder is 2. And what I want you to do is, it depends on the bit or the version that you installed. Is it 64-bit version or is it 32-bit version? If you installed 64-bit version, what you are going to do is the activator, you are going to run 64-bit version. So right now I installed 64-bit, so let me run 64-bit activator and activate this Microsoft Office. Okay, here is the 64-bit version, so just open it and click yes. This activator is going to detect Microsoft Office automatically, you get me? And what I want you to do is at the left side of your panel, just click activate Office or Office activation. Just click on that icon and you are good to go. Okay, now you finish installing your Microsoft Office 2019 and you've activated it. Enjoy it. My name is Knight Gideon. Welcome to Best IT. And now, how will you know that Microsoft Office has been activated and you can use it? This is PowerPoint. Over here, just click on it. And PowerPoint is not going to ask any activation key or any serial key because you finished doing everything. And that's it. This is a new Microsoft Office 2019 interface, and you can do a lot with it. There are so many features built in it, and stay with me in this channel and you are going to get all. My name is Knight Gideon. This is Best IT. What I want you to do is just press the bell icon or just click on subscribe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Nice to meet you again. Bye.